Today I want to show you the organizing bins that I got from Amazon. I am super excited to use these, so let's go organize my bathroom.
I have got to be honest with you guys, the opening video that you just saw was filmed during Christmas time, and I didn't actually organize my bathroom drawers until the summertime when I actually had time. I am really bad at organizing, and I don't organize well. It really takes a lot of effort for me to organize, but I was determined to not live in this mess anymore, and these organizing bins that I got actually really helped. Throughout this video, the organizing process was really overwhelming for me, but the end result is so worth it, and I kind of felt like a little mini influencer using these awesome bins. So the cool thing about these bins is that they came in 4 different sizes. They also have these little sticky things to go at the bottom so they don't slide around in your drawer. I had tried using other organizing bins before, but the sizes of these were just perfect for all of the things that I needed to go in them. And stay tuned for the end result so you can see how I organized everything. If you're anything like me and you struggle to organize, then accomplishing something like this feels like a really big deal. I love that everything has a home. I love that everything feels so organized, and I am so happy with the end result and happy with these storage bins.